Now we will be discussing the side view of clavicle. The sideways view shows the facies articularis sternalis, sternal end, facies articularis acromialis, medial end. In this view, see the S shape of clavicle, which is very prominent. You can use this to determine how the bone is placed in skeleton. A common question asked by examiner: you are handed over a clavicle and asked to tell which side of the body this bone belongs. The simple way is to identify the medial end. Medial end is rounded or quadrilateral. Now place that medial end towards your sternum. This would make it easy to recognize. The second thing you can do is to see the anterior surface of the medial two-third, which should be convex. However, the anterior border of the lateral third should be concave.